My name is Dawn Scott. I own Errorless Service Dogs. We have 11 locations nationwide now. We are located in Western Colorado. I have been in the dog training world for 10 years now. I'm restarting a company for the first time by myself with very limited means. And I needed to know that it was gonna work because this is the only income that my family has. The biggest challenges were getting quality traffic there. I could drive some traffic through social media, but I wasn't getting the type of clientele that I needed for the company to thrive. So when I started with the website, I was on WordPress.com and I needed a few things out of it. I needed it to be incredibly professional, so things need to be very crisp and clean while trying to get all of my keywords in there. And the solution that I came up with was to write a blog. Blaze popped up one day while I was working on my website, and I started to look at it and I thought this is probably a little too easy to be good, but I could throw $100 at it. I did that and it was incredibly easy to use. It's almost point and click. It takes 5 minutes to set your market, to set your pictures, to set the whole thing up. It's very user-friendly and it's actually very inexpensive to use when you look at the quality of leads you're getting and the type of clients you're getting back from them. Blaze has helped me streamline the entire advertising process, and the company growth is insane. I've never sold that many dogs in a year. And I was able to take the company and restart it the way I wanted to, do everything my way. This has been amazing, amazing. Life-changing for sure.